Imagine a world where almost everything is done by hand. Farmers plough their fields with oxen, artisans craft goods in small workshops, and transport is limited to horse-drawn carriages and sailing ships. The pace of life is slow and progress is incremental. This was the world before the Industrial Revolution, a time when the power of human and animal labor set the boundaries of productivity. Scene transition, early factories and transport. Before the Industrial Revolution, factories were rare and small-scale. People relied heavily on renewable but less efficient sources of energy, such as windmills for grinding grain and water wheels for milling. Most goods were produced in homes or small workshops where artisans and craftsmen labored over their workbenches. But as populations grew and the demand for goods increased, this system began to show its limitations. The need for a more efficient source of energy became apparent, setting the stage for a monumental shift. Scene transition, the birth of the Industrial Revolution. The term Industrial Revolution refers to a period of profound transformation in manufacturing, agriculture and transportation, starting in the late 18th century. It is called a revolution because it completely changed how goods were produced, moving from manual labor to mechanized processes, fundamentally altering every aspect of daily life. Scene transition timeline and key developments. The Industrial Revolution began in Britain around 1760 and continued into the early 19th century. Let's walk you through some of the key developments. 1775 to 1781, James Watt perfected the steam engine, providing a powerful and reliable source of energy that could be used in factories, mines and locomotives. 1794, Eli Whitney invented the cotton gin, revolutionizing the textile industry by making it much easier to separate cotton fibers from seeds. 1807, Robert Fulton launched the first commercially successful steamboat, revolutionizing water transport. 1825, the first public railway, the Stockton and Darlington Railway, opened in England, heralding the era of rapid land transport. 1844, Samuel Morse sent the first long-distance telegraph message, revolutionizing communication. Scene transition, changes and impact. The Industrial Revolution brought about unprecedented changes. Manufacturing production shifted from small workshops to large factories. Mechanized looms and steam engines allowed for mass production of goods, significantly increasing output and lowering costs. Transportation. The advent of steam-powered locomotives and ships revolutionized transport, making it faster and cheaper to move goods and people. This expansion of the transport network facilitated global trade and the movement of populations. Energy coal became the dominant source of energy, powering factories, ships and trains. This marked a significant shift from renewable sources like wind and water to fossil fuels, which had profound environmental and economic implications. The changes were so profound that the term revolution is fitting. The Industrial Revolution was not just about technological advancements, it altered the very fabric of society. Here's why. Economic structure. The rise of factories led to the growth of cities as people moved from rural areas in search of work. This urbanization created new economic opportunities but also introduced challenges such as overcrowding and pollution. Social changes. A new working class emerged and labor unions began to form to fight for better working conditions and wages. The revolution also led to the rise of a wealthy industrial capitalist class, changing the social hierarchy. Global economy countries that industrialized quickly, like Britain and later the United States and Germany, gained significant economic and military power. This shift led to a new global economic order, with industrialized nations exerting influence over less developed regions. International relations. The Industrial Revolution intensified the scramble for colonies as industrialized nations sought new markets and raw materials. This led to increased competition and conflict between nations, reshaping global alliances and rivalries. The story doesn't end there. The Second Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 19th century, brought further changes with the advent of electricity, the internal combustion engine, and advances in chemical, steel, and communication technologies. Electricity, Thomas Edison's light bulb, and Nikola Tesla's alternating current systems revolutionized energy consumption and distribution, making it possible to power factories and homes efficiently. Automobiles. Henry Ford's assembly line production made cars affordable for the average person, transforming transportation once again and contributing to suburbanization. Telecommunications. The telephone, invented by Alexander Graham Bell and Marconi's wireless telegraph, revolutionized communication, making it instant and global. The legacy of the Industrial Revolution is all around us. It set the stage for the modern world, driving technological innovation, economic growth, and social change. It also highlighted the need for sustainable practices and the management of industrial impacts on the environment. As we reflect on the Industrial Revolution, it's clear that it was a turning point in human history. It brought about incredible progress, but also significant challenges. Understanding this period helps us navigate our present and future as we continue to balance innovation with sustainability. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the most transformative periods in our history.